Hello guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. So today is 21st June and my today's plan is to explore the beautiful city of Pune. And yeah, I'm currently in Indrayani Express. So this train was scheduled to arrive at Kalyan at around 6:30 a.m. But it was delayed by 10 to 15 minutes and it is expected to reach Pune at around like 9 a.m. So yeah, the tickets were already pre-booked, so there are like no kind of worries regarding sitting arrangement and all. So yeah, I'm like super excited and let's get the journey started. So talking about Pune, Pune is the second largest city in Maharashtra and it is among the top metropolitan cities in India. Pune is one of India's fastest growing city with a diverse economy. It contributes significantly to Maharashtra's GDP and employment. So basically, Pune has a very rich Maratha history. It was the seat of power for the Peshwas and also for the Maratha Empire. And now it is the hub of IT companies as well as there are prestigious universities in Pune. Even there are historical places in Pune such as Shaniwar Wada, Lal Mahal, Sinhagad Fort, and there are many more places as well. So we are going to explore few of these places. Now I am at Lonavala and within few minutes I'll be reaching Pune. And I have reached at Pune and the train was delayed by 10 minutes. So now I'll be taking an auto directly and I'll be going at Srimanta Dagdushet Halwai temple. So as it is my birthday today, so I have decided to start my day with Ganpati Bappa's darshan. The Dagdushet Halwai Ganpati temple in Pune is an iconic and highly revered with a rich history and a stunning architecture. It was founded in 1893 by Dagdushet Halwai and his wife Lakshmi Bai after they tragically lost their son to a plague. Their spiritual guru Sri Madhavnath Maharaj advised building the temple to heal their grief. So the Dagdushet's nephew Govind Sheth later installed the second idol and in 1968 the current Navsasa Ganpati was installed by sculptor Nagesh Appa Shilpi. So as you can see today there is a lot of rush to take Bappa's darshan. So basically along with the usual crowd, many Varkaris who are on their way to the Pandharpur Wari also came to take Bappa's blessing. So the energy and devotion all around is truly something else. You can also take direct entry like in VIP person by just paying 100 rupees. But I decided to stand in queue and take the blessings. The people who are in hurry can also take blessings from here, as you can see this transparent window kind of. So the Ganpati Bappa's Murti is also visible from here. Ganpati Bappa's Murti is fully gold plated. Actually, clicking photos and videos are not allowed here, but somehow I managed to shoot a little clip for you guys. Just look at how the exterior of the temple is so beautifully decorated with flowers. Right now, I am in front of Nanavada, which is just beside Dagdushet temple. नानावाड़ा लगभग लाइक 1780s में नाना फडणवीस जी ने बनाया था, जो एक प्रभावशाली राजनेता थे ड्यूरिंग लाइक पेशवा एरा. So you can see how beautiful the architecture is, and I can also see the wooden doors and wooden pillars which are very beautifully carved. And as you can see, this large courtyard in the center, which is so nice actually. Now let's go to Lal Mahal. It is one of the most historic landmark in Pune. It was originally built around like in 1630s. So this mahal was built by Shahaji Raje Bhosle, जो छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जी के पिता थे। तो उन्होंने अपनी वाइफ जीजाबाई एंड उनके बेटे छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जी के लिए ये महल बनाया था जब वो पुणे में सेटल होने आए थे। सो ये वही जगह है जहाँ पे छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज जी ने उनका मोस्ट ऑफ बचपन यहाँ पे गुजारा है। ही रिसीव्ड हिज अर्ली एजुकेशन हियर एंड मेनी इम्पॉर्टेंट मोमेंट्स जो उनके लाइफ में हुए वो सब इसी दीवारों के बीच हुए। डोंट नो एक्चुअली एंट्री कहाँ से है। आई थिंक इट्स फ्रॉम दैट साइड बिकॉज वहाँ पे बहुत रश दिख रही है। सो लेट्स गो फ्रॉम देयर। सो यस, यहाँ से एंट्री है एक्चुअली। सो लेट्स गो इनसाइड। और बेसिकली जो शाइस्ता खान पे अटैक किया गया था तो वो भी यही जगह थी। सो अभी अंदर कीर्तन चालू है एंड यू कैन सी द इंटीरियर ऑफ द लाल महल फ्रॉम इनसाइड, हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट इज। नाउ द ओरिजिनल स्ट्रक्चर इज लॉस्ट ओवर टाइम बट देन रिकंस्ट्रक्शन हुआ एंड अभी जो करंट लाल महल हम देख रहे हैं वो बना। इवन दो इट्स अ रेप्लिका, the historical importance remains intact. So now we are on our way to शनिवार वाड़ा। So यहाँ पे रास्ते पे ही श्रीमंत पेशवे गणेश मंदिर है। So हमें बाहर से ही दर्शन ले लिया। एंड यहाँ पे है कस्बा गणपति और उसी के बाजू में एक विट्ठल मंदिर है, तो हम चले वहाँ पे दर्शन लेने के लिए। सो अभी हम निकल चुके हैं शनिवार वाड़ा जाने के लिए। सो यहाँ पे शनिवार वाड़ा के जस्ट बाजू में है सुदामा से पोहे। सो दे सर्व्स varieties of pohe and the taste is also awesome. So from here we went to have a sugarcane juice to refresh ourselves and then we are going inside the Shanivar Wada. So here I am, right in front of Shanivar Wada. Shanivar Wada was built in 18th century by Bajirao I, who was the Peshwa of the Maratha Empire. Originally, it was the residence of the Peshwas. This majestic fort is not only known for its historical importance, but also for its grand architecture and stories of mystery. सो एक ज़माने में यहाँ पे 7 फ्लोर्स हुआ करते थे, बट आफ्टर अ फायर इन 19th century, most of it was destroyed. Today, only the stone base and the massive Delhi Darwaja, which is the main gate. So अभी इतना ही बचा है. So you can see the view from here, how beautiful it looks, the greenery and everything is beautiful. This place is a major tourist attraction और ऐसा कहा जाता है कि पूनम की रातों में आज भी नारायण राव पेशवा की चीखें गूंजती है, इट echoes through the ruins. I had my lunch here, and now I am at Tulsi Bagh. It is the oldest and busiest market in Pune. So here you'll get traditional items to latest fashion accessories, utensils, home decorative items, puja items, and even you will get varieties of cosmetics over here. You will find everything at affordable price. You can see these earrings, how beautiful they are. So especially during festivals, this lane is full of crowd. And if you love street shopping and if you are visiting Pune, so this is a place you should definitely visit. It's like it's like a perfect blend of culture, history and budget friendly shopping. Right now, I am in front of Raja Dinkar Kelkar Museum. As I didn't had much time, so I decided to skip this place, but you can definitely visit here. Now I am at Sarasbag. Sarasbag is a beautiful garden located in Pune. पहले यहाँ पे there was a lake. Over a time it dried up and the garden was developed in its place. So right in the center of the garden is the famous Sarasbag Ganpati temple, which is also known as Tadatla Ganpati. So this temple is like 250 years old and it was also built by Peshwas. And just after entering here, it feels so peaceful. And like ऐसा माना जाता है कि the temple was used as a secret meeting place during the war time. So here is the Ganpati Museum. So let's go inside and see what's inside. So there are varieties of Ganpati idols from all over India. Here you can see all kind of varieties of the murtis, which are made from wet coconut, china clay, ceramic, brass, copper, wood, blowing glass, sandalwood, and many more things. So today, Sarasbag is a tourist attraction. The greenery is so awesome over here, and यहाँ पे आने के बाद you will get peace and like calm vibes और like आपको बहुत spiritual feel होगा, like which makes it perfect for a peaceful outing. And you can see the beautiful like lakes यहाँ पे अंदर, like you'll see fishes inside, and like there are turtles also. This place is perfect for couples to spend quality time. Even there are lots of food stalls just at the main entry gate. now I'm in train heading back home. So the journey was so beautiful and it will be unforgettable for me, and I love the city and its vibes. And now I can say that it is safe to travel alone in Pune. Although it was not my first time in Pune, so during my bachelor's I went to Pune, but it was the other side of Pune, that is, I went to Katraj city, which was like 7 years back, and then now. So my day went very well. And yeah, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe the channel.